viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel, and this one I'm going to be reading A Little Spot of Frustration, a story about self-control, and by Danny Albert. So, let's begin this book. Hi, I'm Flexible Thinking Spot. We read Flexible Thinking Spot, did we? Okay. Hi, I'm Flexible Thinking Spot. Hi, I'm Calm Spot. We're here to help you when a frustration spot shows up. When does a frustration spot show up? A frustration spot shows up in a situation we can't control. Either something happens that you didn't expect, or you expected something different to happen. It's good to have a small frustration spot because it can show you something you are learning or being challenged. But if a frustration spot isn't managed, it can turn into a big angry emotion spot pretty quickly, and that doesn't make you feel very good. That's why it's important to help a frustration spot right away before it starts to get out of control. That's why we're here, to help flip your frustration spot into a calm and flexible thinking before it turns into an angry spot. So sometimes it's not easy to flip your frustration spot, so we wanted to give you these unique tokens to help. These tokens have two sides. One side shows you what you can't control, and the other side shows you what you can control. This will help you manage your expectations and reactions to a situation. For the boy, he has his frustration. Things that make him frustrated are others' mistakes, what others say, what others do. What does that say? I have no idea what that says. Hold on, let me try flipping my head. Oh, that says the weather, the future, yeah. And for the girls, calm and contrast. Okay. Things that she's not frustrated about are her words, her actions, her attitude, her expectations. I think that says her choices, her efforts. Okay. Frustration spots like to show up when we can't control what's going to happen. The tokens remind us of those things, like when the weather or when something does or says something to us that we don't like. Grrr. Okay. Calm and flexible thinking spots show up when we're in control of our actions and thoughts. The token reminds us of those things, like when we make good choices and say and do nice things, like cleaning up recycled things that people did not throw away, and writing thank you cards. When things happen that we can't control, frustration spots start to give off warning signs. That this lets us know that they're nearby so we can help. You might feel like yelling, or your heart will start pounding. This is an excellent time to do a frustration flip. Feel like yelling. Feel hot. And yeah. This is how it works. When you feel a frustration spot nearby, flip the tokens 4 times. Each time you flip, count 1, 2, 3, 4. And ensure it lands on the calm and flexible side, so you can remember what you are in control of. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat after me. When I get frustrated, I can stop and see what I can control inside me. My actions, my words, my feelings, and thoughts can flip my frustrations to calm, flexible spots. This gives your mind a chance to calm down and apply flexible thinking to the problem. Frustration spots get confused easily. Little problems like misplacing your pencil can trigger a frustration spot, when all it needed was a flexible thinking spot. This looks like my problem. That's because frustration spots are still learning when to show up. Flexible thinking, medium problem. Frustration needed, big problem. No one is helping, someone in danger, seek help. Okay, let's see it in action. I know the answer. Why won't she call on me? When I get frustrated, I can stop and see. Hold on. When I get frustrated, I can stop and see what I can control inside of me. My actions, my words, my feelings, and thoughts can flip my frustrations to calm, flexible spots. Frustration flip. 1, 2, 3, 4. The teacher sees me. I'm participating, and hopefully she will call me next. You are very respectful to the teacher by not interrupting. Why do I keep making mistakes? When I get frustrated, blah blah blah, we all get it. Sorry. Okay, we all get it, so I'm just gonna move on to the frustration flip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice helps me grow. Wow, you are working hard. Being able to reflect and remember what you were able to do to flip a frustration spot can help you with future frustration spots. Frustration flip! Yay! Okay. That's not fair! Why do you keep winning? When I get frustrated, I can stop and blah 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 blah. Frustration flip! 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I should try a different strategy. You showed great self-control when you didn't win. I don't want to do my homework. It's too hard. And we know what's on the bottom. When I get frustrated, I can stop and see blah blah blah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Frustration flip. If I take it one problem at a time, I can get through it. Great perseverance getting through your work. Yay. You both did so great managing your frustration spots. I can't wait to see more frustration flips in action. Don't forget the token. When I get frustrated, I can stop, see, blah, blah, blah. We've read it a few times already, so yeah. So, that's the end of this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Oh yeah, I think I forgot to say that I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!